Hello, today I'll be talking to you about Popplet. Popplet is a great technology app to use with literacy in the classroom. Students can pull together facts, thoughts, and images and learn to create relationships between them in one location. Popplet is a great place for students to visualize ideas, and it's a fun alternative to pen and paper. You can make 5 demo Popplets for free or download the app from Apple for a small fee. The program can be used on any iPhone, iPad, or other smart device, as well as any computer. How do you create a Popplet? Simple. Start by double-clicking anywhere on the blue screen. A box or Popplet will appear. To change the color of the Popplet, click this button. To add text or change the text size, click the T button. To illustrate, click this button and choose a color. Click on this button to add any picture from YouTube or your computer. To resize a Popplet, drag the black triangle to the size you would like. Lastly, to create a new Popplet, click and drag from one of the gray circles. For the classroom, students can brainstorm, sequence events, illustrate stories, show cause and effect, and many other great ideas. Popplet can be used for any subject within the classroom. I will show a few examples on how to use Popplet. Students can sequence events in the stories they read or write. If students read The Very Hungry Caterpillar, they could create something like this. They would create Popplets to say beginning, middle, and then we'll add end. Let's change the color. And then they could add additional Popplets to illustrate the story. So for the beginning, it's an egg on a leaf. The middle, we have the caterpillar eating some food, and then the caterpillar creating its chrysalis. In the end, instead of illustrating a butterfly, we can upload a photo from our computer. Butterfly. And then we have a beautiful picture of a butterfly. Students could also use Popplet when learning new vocabulary words. They could add the vocabulary word in the middle, and then they can illustrate a picture of the vocab word, write synonyms, write the definition, or create sentences with the vocabulary word. So, when playing outside in the snow, you need to wear your mittens. This is a fun and engaging way to learn new vocabulary words. Students could also use Popplet for organizing their writing. They can start with a Popplet with their main idea and then add their main details. So detail number 1, and then detail number 2, and detail number 3. And after they add their main details, they can add Popplets for supporting details. So they can add what they see and what they hear, action sentences, This is a great way for students to brainstorm or create an outline for their writing. After students are done creating their Popplet, you can go to Settings and save it as a PDF or a JPEG, or students can print it as well. Popplet is a great tool to help students get their ideas down through mind mapping. This app is also great for teachers since they can use the program on any computer. Be creative and have fun generating ideas in the classroom.